morning, guys. Checking in, me and my tiny espresso cup. Dan's on his way, about to scoop me up. We're gonna head out and get his wedge installed on the back of the Gladiator. I'm saying it really simply as wedge. It's like a wedge style camper. I don't know what brand it is. I don't know what we're going to get. I'm the tag along. This is some more stuff that I just felt like was super cool. I had the day off today. He was going to get this done. I was like, bro, let me tag along. Let's document this. Super cool install. Brought both the cameras, meaning the digital and the Polaroid, going to give him some memories. Not going to tell him that I'm planning on doing that. And we're going to just do it like this, make a video, show you guys what it's like, what brand he went with, how long the install took, and hopefully get some just clips throughout the day that add some value to anyone who might be looking at one of these campers. But I think that this is going to be sick. It's another step for Dan and his build for the Gator. And I know that 4-Wheel Degens has been excited as a group as we come together right now, as we start to see guys making moves on their rigs. We start documenting it more. And so I appreciate you even checking this video out and seeing what we're up to today. But stay tuned because he'll be here shortly. So.
When are you guys gonna throw one on one of those?
On what? Oh God. Just wait. I love when I get those questions too. Alright.
Oh, yeah, it looks so good.
Very cool.
We got a pretty easy day, so I'll do.
What's your good side, Kyler?
I don't have a good side.
Alright, good to know.
I felt that one in my soul.
Maybe from behind. I don't know. You don't see my face. Hey, here. Cool, man. So yeah, we got it on there. Came on real plain, real easy. Good fit. I'm going to do the whole thing. So first bit of info. We got our door. We got our tent latches here.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, real simple. We just pull them up, bring them down. The only word of caution with this is you want to keep these pins all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can see that little relief that's cut out of the back panel.
Yep.
But basically, if you have this guy in like the middle position, and you try to open the back panel, you're gonna ding it up.
Got it.
So yeah, just make sure you got those all the way down. Same thing with this side. Then we're gonna start lifting it up. You're gonna fight about the first foot, and then after that, the gas struts will take over. We got our tent bungee here. We just pull this guy down, put it around the corners. And this guy just holds all the excess tent, so we got it broken down. Cool. We usually leave this back window open. Makes it a little easier to get to the tent raise. But yeah, then we'll reach into here, grab this guy, pull it back. Just making sure we're not catching on the tent. We're not trying to pull on that.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you heard that little click.
Yep.
So yep, we've got 2 little pins that go set in space there. Whenever you're ready to break it down, you just pull these 2 little red handles here. Push it back down.
Cool.
And then yeah, just make sure you're not grabbing on the tent.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I usually advise people to get down. They're gonna open the back panel. Climb in here. Alright, then we got our bed platform.
Yep.
So you got the bed ladder. So we went ahead and updated the gas struts are higher strength now. So this guy will pull up anything, no problem. Anywho, the only word of caution is in cold temperatures, the gas struts can lose a little bit of power.
Mm-hmm.
So we just want to always make sure that we're all the way up or all the way down.
Yep.
Yep.
I'll have to remember that for snow wheeling.
Exactly. So yeah, we go all the way up, and you can hear it. That's all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Safe, no problem. So now when you're coming back down again, I always warn people about this last 2 feet.
Yeah.
A bit of a danger zone. Watch your fingers, hands,
Mm-hmm.
stuff like that. Also on like intense windy days, the side of the tent might try to blow in.
Yeah.
So when you're bringing the bed up and down, you're going to ride against the tent.
Okay.
So just keep that in mind. So yeah, we keep our fingers out of that area. Bring it straight down. That's down. Just these. I'll get some corner caps for you guys. Over here. So yeah, that's the bed struts, man.
Sweet.
We got the bed ladder here. Pretty easy peasy. Got that strap there.
I was wondering why.
This guy pulls out. I usually pull it out at 45 like this,
Mm-hmm.
and then set it down. That way there's no chance of it swinging in.
Yeah.
And then yeah, just set it back in the bottom channel there, and you're set. To collapse it back up, we've got these 2 buttons here. Push these up. You go to the top channel, set it back. Velcro comes through the loop, back through this holder, and just nice and tight.
Nice.
Real nice.
If you ever did want to relocate it, you can. You just got to loosen up here, and then you can shift to one side or the other.
Oh, I never thought about that. That's a good idea.
Yeah, only downside of that is you only got the strap stationary.
Yeah.
So you'd have to reposition the strap.
Mhm.
Or if you move it just enough that the strap grabs it, maybe there.
Yeah.
So you're just a little offset.
Okay. Yeah.
Something to think about. Everybody's got always like drawer ideas and all these different things.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of options.
Mhm.
You can move that anywhere you want. We got our gear bolt. Same deal here. We can move this guy back forward anywhere you want.
Mhm.
We usually just center it. Okay. Looks like you don't have a juice box, so you don't have your electrical to run through. This is your third high brake light.
Yep.
Yep. So you can go ahead and tie that into there if you want to. Keisha's got a diagram for it.
Okay.
We can't do it because of DOT restrictions.
Yep. Totally get it.
Cool.
Too easy to do it myself.
No worries. Cool. I know you know how keys work, but I'm going to go ahead and show you anyways.
Yeah.
I'll show you on this panel, make it a little easier. So you got 4 keys. They work on all 3 panels. Yep. Lock into just like anything else will lock. The only thing downside is we can't lock and unlock from the inside,
Yeah.
but we can open it if it's locked.
Yeah.
From the inside.
I saw the video on the
Okay,
latch.
sweet. Yep, great. So yeah, you know that.
Yep.
So yeah, we just pull these 2 little tabs here,
Mm-hmm.
and now that's our door open.
Cool.
Now when it comes to these panels, don't be afraid. They actually like a good
Yep.
hard slam. And that sets it a lot better actually.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's all 3. If you want to unlock it, you gotta do it from the outside.
Mhm.
Your typical instrument won't work there.
Yep.
Cool. What else we got?
Give these to you. These we added to the website after your confirmation, but
Oh, nice.
a couple
Well, I
of
would-
tie downs.
Sweet.
It's sweet. What we do is we put them to the outside and then we hang hammocks.
There you
From
go.
these?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
No problem.
I have like 5 hammocks.
Yeah. Yeah, go to the nearest tree and hook it to somewhere on your camper, man.
Yeah.
You'll be set. What else we got? Any questions or anything so far?
No, dude.
Everything clear?
Yeah.
Sweet.
That huge amount of videos that came out really answered any questions that anyone might have had.
Which is so funny because like I got half the country. I know everything about this game. The other half I got. Yeah. I always put you all together.
All right, we're at Big Y Cafe, and I took some Polaroids for Dan, so I'm gonna give them to you because I haven't shown them to him yet. So here's the pictures. Here's for Dan.
Those are sick.
Sick, bro.
I should frame them and put them on the inside of the camper.
That's so sick. It would be sick if you did that. So it's the last pick before you got to put on, before we go to Jones. As soon as you got to put on, and then just a little Lone Peak action. Yeah, bro. And
Thanks,
then,
dude.